Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can reload all tabs within one space in your Workona account. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to Workona, for example, on Google Chrome or any other web browser. Let me navigate to it by clicking into that Workona tab in the top left. And as you probably know, for example, you're on Google Chrome, guys, you can simply navigate to the given page here and click into that button to reload it, or use F5 on your keyboard. However, guys, if you have, for example, multiple of these tabs open and you don't want to do this one by one for each tab, there's an option how you can manage these and reload all at once via Workona. So navigate to your space. Let me go with that space here. And as you can see, that space features all of these open tabs. And you can reload them all at once by clicking into these three dots here and by selecting, let me find it, there it is, reload all tabs. So that is going to reload all of these tabs and show you the updated version of the given page or tab with all edits and changes that have been made in the meantime. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.